Welcome to my channel. Today's topic computer networks. Network means an interconnected system. A computer network is a set of computers connected together for the purpose of communication and resource sharing. The connection between computers can be done through cabling or wireless. The network of different devices is called networking. The shared resources may include data files, application programs, and hardware. There are three categories of networks, namely Internet, intranet, and extranet. Internet. It is a global network of several computers and other electronic devices. Using Internet, we can access information and communicate with anyone else in the world. The Internet users can send and receive all kinds of information such as text, graphics, audio, video, and other computer programs. Internet. It is a private network of computers within an organization with its own server. It is for the use of organization and its associates like customers, employees, members, suppliers, etc. It is protected from unauthorized access with security system, that is firewalls. It is mostly dependent on LAN. It provides a web-based interface for users to access. It is a very useful tool for employees communication. Most popular intranet applications are inter-office email, also used for web publishing of corporate documents, web forms, Web2 database, etc. Extranet. It is also a private network within an organization and it uses internet to connect to the outsiders in controlled manner to exchange business information among the companies, employees and external members. Extranet is secured with firewalls and VPNs. It can be accessed by authorized users only. Example, online banking. Application of computer networks, video conference, instant messaging, resource sharing such as printer and storage devices, exchange of information by means of emails and FTP. Types of networks: personal area network, local area network, campus area network, metropolitan area network, wide area network. Personal area network. It is a network that used on personal level. A PAN is an interconnection of information technology devices within the range of an individual person, typically within the range of 10 to 30 meter. Personal area networks can be connected with cables or wireless. USB and firewire technologies are often used the wired PAN, while wireless PANs uses Bluetooth or infrared connections. Bluetooth pans are also called piconets. Example, a person traveling with a laptop, personal digital assistant, and a portable printer can interconnect easily. This is the example for personal area network. Local area network. A local area network is a computer network within a small geographical area such as a home, school, office, building or group of buildings. It is a group of computers and associate devices that shares a common communication line or wireless communication for accessing and sharing data and devices such as printers, scanners and data storage devices. It is very easy to design and maintain. LAN networks consist of cables, switches, routers, and other components. LAN are owned, controlled, and managed by a single person or an organization. Ethernet and Wi-Fi are the two primary ways to enable LAN connections. Ethernet is a specification that enables computers to communicate with each other. Wi-Fi uses radio waves to connect computers to the LAN. LANs normally do not exceed an area of 2 to 3 square kilometer. This type of network does not consist of more than 100 computers. Campus area network. A network that joins two or more LANs together within a limited area. Example, university campus, corporate headquarters, etc. In the case of university, the network connects various buildings on campus such as academic buildings, administrative building, library, hostel, etc. And it provides internet access, email, file sharing, and other services to students, faculty, and staffs. It is designed to support large number of users and devices. It provides high speed productivity. Metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network is similar to local area network but covers an entire city or campus. MANs are formed by connecting multiple LANs. MANs are larger than LAN but smaller than WAN. MANs are used to build networks with high data communication speeds for cities and towns. A MAN is ideal for many kinds of network users because it is a medium sized network. MAN covers area up to 100 square kilometer. A MAN may be owned by one or more organizations. Example, cable TV networks that are spread over a city. Wide Area Network WAN. Wide Area Network is a network that consists over a large scale geographical area. WAN is a network that spans several cities or even countries. WAN connects different smaller networks including LANs and MANs. This ensures that computers and users in one location can communicate with computers with users in other location. Connections can include wired and wireless technologies. WAN or wired network connections remain the preferred WAN over wired network connections remain the preferred medium of for most enterprises, but wireless WAN technologies based on the 4G standard are becoming popular. Computers in a WAN are often connected to public networks such as telephone system. Sometimes satellites are also used to connect computers in a WAN. A WAN is usually not owned by a single organization but exists under a collective ownership and management. Examples: Internet and ATM facility. Advantages of networking: ease to access. The network stores most of the information on the central computer. Storing information on one or more central computers make it easy for pupils to work with their files. Work from home. The network has dedicated computer that allow people to connect to the company's network using modem. Once users are connected to the network, they can work with any data available on the network. The network makes it easy for people to access office information from home. Sharing information. The main advantage of networking is sharing information. A computer that is not connected to a network is called a stand-alone computer. While working in a standalone environment, you have to either use a floppy disk or take a printout to share information. In a networked environment, the information can be stored on a single computer known as server. All the other computers in the network can access the information stored on the server. In this way, the information can be centralized and a control can be maintained over it. This also increases productivity. Sharing hardware resources. A network environment also sharing of hardware resources. Computers that are not connected to each other cannot share resources. For instance, a small office with 6 or 10 stand-alone computers can one print and one printer allows only the user with the printer attached to the computer to take printouts. Other users must put their data on the floppy disk or a CD and transfer it to the computer with the printer. This is a time consuming process. However, in a network environment, a printer can be stored on the network so that all users can use this printer to take printouts. Some other resources which can be shared on a network are scanners, floppy disk drives, hard disk drives, and CD drives. Sharing software resources. In standalone computers, the software to be used must be present on each computer's hard disk, but it is difficult and time consuming to install and configure the software individually on each computer. If computers are on a network, the software can be centrally installed and configured on the server and be used across the network. Preserving information. Apart from sharing information, a network environment helps you preserve information as well. It is difficult to maintain regular backups of data on a number of standalone computers. When a standalone computers have no backup, mistakes or accidents sometimes can result in the loss of important data. In a network environment, you can keep a backup copy of important data on the server and can access it whenever required. Remote classroom. This helps to conduct classes by experts from one place to all the students of country and interact with each other, protecting information or security. In a standalone environment, access to a computer often means an access to information on the computer. Networks provide an additional layer of security by way of username and passwords, allowing the network server to distinguish between authorized and unauthorized users. Data transmission media. Data transmission media refers to the mode as cable or wireless technology which enables network devices to communicate with each other. It is a path through which data can be transmitted among the connected devices in a network. Cable media. It physically connects that communicating devices in a network. It is mainly used for small LANs. Twisted wire cable, coaxial cable, and fiber optic cable are different types of cable media. Wireless media. It does not consist of any cables between two communicating system devices. In this type of data transmission, the data is usually transmitted through the atmosphere. This medium is necessary for networks that transmit signals over vast distances. The three main types of wireless media are radio waves, microwaves, and infrared. Thank you.